So when I ask you to check your TMA, it's very simple. For GST, let's say TMA1. One TMA is very easy. You just go to this menu here. You go to that menu, you touch it. After logging in, you should see this this menu, My Courses. Then it will list your courses. You just tap the one you want to see the TMA. Let's say 104. We go for 104. You see? When it opens, you scroll up gradually. Don't rush it. Section by section. Say resources, online facilitation, introduction. You keep going. You should definitely see TMA. Definitely. Here it is. You should see this TMA1 or TMA2. If you are going for TMA2, you have to go down further. If it's TMA3, you keep going down. That's how when they are loaded, they are usually below each other, sequentially. You open it, just touch it. When it opens, you should see scores instead of questions. If there are still questions, it means it has not been submitted. You can see this. That's your final grade for this TMA. If it were general score, that's when you will go to grades. You touch that small arrow there. It opens these menus. You go to grades. If it opens grades, here you should see your scores for both TMA 1, 2, 3. For all the courses you've submitted, TMA 1, 2, 3, TMA 1, 2, 3. You sum them up here. But this is not general. For now, you want to check only one course. You can also check from here anyway. If you touch it now, it will open to show you 10%. That's for that TMA1. If you touch any one, let's say the first one, GST 103, it opens in a different way. Look at that. Grade. You can see 10 there. You can see 10 on that grade. That's your score. %, means you scored 10 out of 10, which is, it means you didn't miss any score. You scored everything. You passed everything for that TMA1. So it's that easy.